Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange on home screen in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. So in the first step, hold the finger on the empty place in your screen and go to the wallpaper and style. Here you can change your wallpaper, so just tap on the change wallpapers, select your new one and set it to the home screen, lock screen or both of them and click on the next. Then choose the done. And now we have a new wallpaper. You can also change the color, color of the system accents, so like a settings. As you can see, now you have a blue icon, and you can switch it in the color palette. Just switch it on and choose your new color palette. Click on the apply, and now we should have a brown settings icon, for example. This is how it works. Okay, the next one, widgets. If you want to add any, just choose the widgets. Choose the app, expand it, and hold the finger on the widget that you want to add to your home screen. Choose the place for it, and now you can also change the size. If you want to remove the widget, just hold it and choose remove. That's it. If you want to make any folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. We have a new folder, we can set the name here. If you want to add more apps, click on the plus and just select it, then click done. If you want to change the color of your of your folder, just click here and select a new color. After that, click on the done and we have a new red folder. If you want to remove that, just take out all of the apps from it to the home screen back. That's it. Now you can go to the settings and here you can change the home screen grid if you want to change the amount of the application, the rows and the columns. And you can also manage the -1 screen on the left side, of course. Here you can enable the Google Discover, Samsung Free, or just switch it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.